Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own an Apple Watch or like I have, and here is a Apple Watch Ultra, and you want to protect your screen, protect the bezel, you need to check out these screen protectors that are going to be able to give you this aesthetic. So I went with the orange, which matches the watch itself right here. I mean, just look at that. It's almost an exact match. And it has this nice feel to it, and it's super easy to put on. The company gives you a tool to smooth out, to get the bubbles out as well. And you get this cleaning cloth, and you're going to get some dust stickers. So you basically will use a wet wipe, clean it, dry it with the wipe, and then use this to get any debris off. And then you can go ahead and place to get two, which is nice in this pack. So this is what it'll look like. You can pull one of these out, and you pull this backing off and lay it right down on your watch face, and then you can smooth it out with this nice tool here. This is soft, so you're not going to scratch anything. And you can see here, I have no bubbles. It was easy to put on. If you follow the instructions, you're going to be good to go. And a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do this review.